It's raining a little bit. They're putting the beams up on top of the roof. I'm not sure how this is going to work with the rain, but maybe it'll show up okay. So I'm here on the front porch. This is the double front door coming in the living room. And you can see they've got the beams and the vaults. Those blocks that are between the beams are called vaults. They've got those installed above the dining area and the kitchen. We've got the dirt floor installed or placed, and then after the electric lines are run in the ground, then they cover this with 6 inches of concrete. So made a lot of progress here in 2 days with the roof. I think next Tuesday or Wednesday they're going to cement the roof. This is going to be my temporary bedroom for a while until I get the rest of the house finished. There's the bathroom, master bedroom, and the guest bedroom. Here they are getting ready to hoist this beam. It's heavy. It takes 4 men to lift it. And after they have it more or less in place, they put one block in at each end, and that's how they get it square. Logan inspecting everything.